Come with me, there you'll see my island home in the middle of the sea. Come with me to the island. Come with me, you will see adventure and fun living in these islands. Over on the west side we'll be. Home sweet home on the west side. That's where you find me. Come with me.
What's going on, guys? Good morning. Today we're gonna go to the beach and my brother hit me up. He said I'm gonna go bodyboarding and can you take some footage of me? So I'm gonna do a little bit of that and then maybe I'll jump in the water too. Who knows? I don't know. But I got my girlfriend with me. Let's get it. Oh, where are you going? What's the plan?
First of all, we're gonna observe the boys, see how the boys taking off. I should get a nice little right peak, a nice little left peak. Oh, nice little air. So we're probably gonna sit in the pocket, Kiawalo's pocket.
In the water footage.
Start the music.
Sweet honey baby, 3+ coming at you. Now feel this mystic style.
What's up, guys? We're back from a festive water excursion. We got some clips. We'll be throwing them in the video. We have the ladies here. Can you tell us a story about the ocean? How is the water? Give me some details, some drops, some stories.
Honestly, the backwash was real today. I mean, taking off on the left, you're probably gonna get one good ride until you hit that backwash, and then you're just gonna fly off your board. Or you can try land them and broke your board. And then the rights are just closing out. Wasn't really anything special. It's one of those too big days. It's too big. It's too big. It's too big. You really gotta find a different spot for narrow down where this swell is coming in from. Get that perfect shot. You know what I'm saying? Stay psyched.
So guys, are now your trunk. That man forgot to close his trunk. Your trunk. Trunk. You suck again. But anyway, like I was saying, we need some nicer frames. We need some nicer waves going out there. We need some nicer frames like my frames. You know what I mean? But anyway, so we're headed out right now. So this part right there, instead of going to another beach, we ended up picking up my niece them first and then went to the beach. What's up, guys? What's going on? We just came back from the water. You know, I just did my thing. Kelly Slater did out there. Call me Rookie of the Year, you know. But did my thing. Kelly Slater did out there. Call me Rookie of the Year, you know. But the conditions of the wave wasn't too pristine. Wasn't to my liking. My performance would have been better. I would hit some arch Rolos 360. But you know, the weather just wasn't cooperating with me to my performance of top peak action. But right over here.
Yeah, girl. Caught some nice suns today.
Wow.
See the rash marks.
The what? We have to do a real quick snack break. We got some ice creams. The strawberry kind. The another strawberry kind. The Malona kind. The ice cream sandwich kind. Another strawberry kind. The ube kind. And the kaime kind.
This is why we don't like to use pallets at the beach bonfires.
Why?
Because family and friends, pallets come with a lot of nails, and your kids come without slipper. Here's another. Here's a good evidence of why we're gonna use pallets for burning bonfires. So what I'm gonna do here, instead of covering them up with sand, I'm gonna pick them up, throw them in my bag, and throw them away. You can.
What's up, guys? Just to elaborate on what Rada Ikaikawarna said, while we was bodyboarding, found some opala in the ocean. So I had to pick them up to save the turtles. You know what I mean? The kind of things we do around here. Alright.